Welcome to the next installment of our revision for the question paper of 2021 February-March exam. This is paper 2, version number 2. This revision is going to start in number 8. So we're going to quickly move to our number 8, which says write 0.37 ... as a fraction. So this is 0.37 recurring. So if you see this dot, it means recurring. So it's the same as saying 0.3737 continuously. So the best way of writing this as a fraction is to say let 0.37 be x, and then we know that our x is 0.37. Let me just write to 4 decimal places. And then what about 100x? 100x will be 37.3737. Right, so here you have got x, you have 100x. So the next step is to subtract 100x minus x. So if you subtract 100x minus x, you will get 99x. If you subtract 37.3737 minus 0.3737, you will get 37. Right. Remember here we subtract. So this minus that. To find our x, we divide both sides by 99, and our x will be 37 over 99, meaning 0.37 recurring is 37 over 99. That's how you solve it. First, let x be 0.373737, and then you multiply that by 100 so that you get 37.373737, and so on. After doing that, you subtract this bigger number minus smaller number, you get 99x. This number minus that number, you get 37. You divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 99. You're done. The next question is a standard form kind of a question. So you are calculating 4.8. You are calculating 4.8 times 10 to the power 6 plus 3.7 times 10 to the power 7. This is a simple calculation. This is 1 million. So you write 4.8 times 1 million plus 3.7 times, this is 10 million, 1 with 7 zeros. Three, 6, 7 zeros. So this one will become 4,800,000. This will become 37 million, like that. So if you're multiplying this, you're just going to say 1 times 3.7, okay? You get 3 and a 7. Then these zeros, you just write them in their respective places. Right, so you have got 3, 6, 7 zeros. Right, so the 6 zeros are here. This one is 37, 3,7 times 10, which gives you 37. And then you write the rest of the zeros as they are. Okay? These 6 zeros, they are here. This is just 3,7 times 10, which is 37. Here you just write the 5 zeros. Here they are. 4,8 times 10, you get your 48 there, just in case you want to write this faster. Okay, the next step is to add 4,800,000 plus 37 million. As you can see here, we have got these 5 zeros there. You just write them down, 5 zeros. And then here you have 370, here you have got 48. So how do you simplify that? 370 plus 48, this will give you 418. So you write this 418 and 5 zeros. This number is 41,800,000. So write the answer down. There you go. Number 10. On the map, the position of the town L, M, and N form an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, it means all angles are equal and each angle 60 degrees, because in a triangle there are 3 angles. If they are equal, it means you divide 180 by 3 to give you 60. So this means that this is 60, 60, and 60 degrees. The bearing of M from L is 103. The bearing of M from L, where is L? Here is L. So this is the north line. So the bearing here is 103. Let me write 103. There you go. That being the bearing, you're supposed to work out the bearing of L from N. N here, L there. So the bearing that you're looking for, there is your north. You're looking for the bearing of L from N. So this is the bearing that you're looking for. Remember, it's the bearing from N to L there. So the bearing is this clockwise angle there. You need to find out what value it has. So already here you've got 103 and 60. What is the total angle there? The total angle is 103 plus 60, 163. So this big angle is 163. So let me just write 163 is the total angle there. And then there is this one, which is a straight line going down there. What will be the angle left here? Well, because this whole big thing is 163, it means you subtract from 180 to get that one. So let's subtract 180. Let's subtract 163. We get 17. There you go. That's your 17 there. But this is a vertical line. This is a vertical line. Z angles are equal. So if this is 17, this is also 17. So you have 17 there. And for you to work out the pairing of L from M, which is the marked angle, you just subtract from 360 minus 17. You will get 360 minus 17. You get 343. So this is 343. That's your answer. We're moving to the next question. The next question will be number 11. So for number 11, you have 36 and 84. You want to find the highest common factor. So for you to find the highest common factor, you need to find the factors of 36 as well as factors of 84. So here we know that 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. How do you do this? We know that we have 36. So if we divide 36 by 2, we get 18. Divide by 2, we get 9. Divide by 3, we get 3. Divide by 3, we get 1. So all the numbers that I was dividing by, they are all factors of 36. And all those factors, remember, they are prime factors. So don't make a mistake of writing any other factor which is not a prime number. They should be prime numbers to avoid repetitions. You do the same with 84. We know that we can divide 84 by 2. So if we divide 84 by 2, we get 42. If you look closely, you can still divide 42 by 2. So you divide by another 2. Sorry. 42 divided by 2. We get 21. 21 cannot be divided by 2, so we look for another number which can divide. This 21 should be a prime number, so the next one is 3. So let's divide by 3. We get a 7, and then divide this by 7, we get a 1. So the product of prime factors for 18 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, which means that this and that have common factors, and the common factors must be identified and multiplied together. So here, common factors for the first set is 2. So here we have 2. We have another 2 which is common, so we write that down. We also have 3 also common. We take note and we write it down. 3 and 7, these are not common. They are different, so we cannot take them. So now we take these, which is 2 times 2 get 4. 4 times 3 we get 12. So our highest common factor is 12. So the highest common factor of 36 and 84, 12. It means 12 can get into 36, 12 can get into 84 without leaving a remainder. Right, we are going to continue in the next video from question 12 moving onwards. Thank you so much. You can like the video, you can share it. Till next time. Bye bye.